Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. What's up? What's up? I'm here with a wig review, headband wig review from UNice from Amazon. So if you want details, then stay tuned. What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for tuning in again. I wanted to come to you guys and show you this beautiful water wave / curly unit, headband unit from UNice Hair on Amazon. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, the typical headband wig has the 3 combs, but this one doesn't have a comb in the back, which was really a little strange, but it's okay. It does have the Velcro straps, just like all the other ones. And this is a very high quality unit. I really like this one. The hair is beautiful. So I just slick my hair back in a simple ponytail and just proceed on to throw this thing on. Very, very simple. I know you guys have seen a ton of headband wig reviews, but I wanted to show you this curly one because I hadn't showed you this curly one yet before. I did a loose wave one, but not a curly one. So went ahead and put it on. The headband was really, really easy to put on. The one thing I ran into, like I said before, it doesn't have a comb at the nape at the back. So it did ride up a little bit. So after this video, I actually ended up sewing on a comb in the back just to make it more secure. I definitely do recommend adding a braid at the base of your neck just to keep your hair from ripping out from the comb in the back. So I did have to put a bobby pin here to at least just hold it down for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hair with some Got To Be gel. This is what really, really makes these headband wigs pop. Of course, you don't have to do it, but yes, I am using my toothbrush. I know you've done it. Don't talk about me. I couldn't find my baby hair brush. So now that my edges are done, let's go ahead and put on one of these headbands. I did get these from Amazon. So I just want to show you guys, this curl pattern is so pretty. It's definitely more curly than water wave, but I'll get into that later. I did go ahead and brush this wig out. In my loose wave video, a lot of you guys were like, hey, you know, what does it look like brushed out? I want to see how big it can get. I wanted to see how big this wig can get. And let me tell you, this hair is buttery soft. It was so soft. No tangles, no shedding. It got huge too, like I was feeling like Diana Ross. My earring kept falling out. Like Diana Ross vibes, big, beautiful curls, so soft, and I was not expecting it to get this big, but it was really, really nice. I loved the softness of this hair. I know the gray one doesn't totally match, but it's okay. So that's it. Like literally, if you wanted to walk out like this and just put it in a high ponytail with it big like this, it would have been perfectly fine because it is so cute and realistic looking. I love this hair. So this is just a mixture of oil, water, and a little bit of mousse. So I just wanted to get the wet and wavy side of this hair as well. So it's very versatile. You could wear it big and bushy or wet and curly. Either way, these curls really, really popped. It was really beautiful. So I did want to put a little Palmer's coconut oil cream just to add a little bit more moisture to the hair. I wouldn't put anything heavy on this hair, maybe a little mousse and maybe a little bit of moisturizer, but that's about it. It doesn't need much. And these water wave curls are just so gorgeous and easy to achieve. Like, look at that. It was so beautiful and so super soft. You know, I keep it 100 with you guys. I would not recommend a unit that I would not wear and pay for myself. This one is definitely a gorgeous wig. I wish I could have gotten it in a longer length, but 18-inch was the only one offered to me. but it is okay. This one is really, really beautiful and worth it. So of course I gotta show you guys how versatile it is, and I know you've seen it before, but I just wanted to show you guys this one because I hadn't did a curly one before. So like I said, the only downfall was the picture on Amazon was so much looser. I was expecting a much more looser pattern, but this one is like curly. But if you look at the reviews of this wig, some were curly, some were looser. So I don't know. I just want to make sure that if you order this, you know what you're getting. Make sure you select the right wig, water wave versus curly. I definitely would recommend this curly one though. The water wave one, the curls may not be so poppin'. So I definitely like this curly one. I love the half up, half down styles. And this one can definitely be put up in a high ponytail as well without it looking too short. But of course I didn't put this in like super secure because there was no comb in the back at the time. So excuse how puffy it looks. But I definitely will fix that. My earring, I didn't even realize my earring was off, but gotta put it back on. But yeah, how big it looks in the back is because it's not really secure and I couldn't pull it up tight like I wanted to. But it's okay. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and definitely stay tuned for more videos. Bye.